Hello everyone. I wanted to just show off some of the brushes I made. Uh, there's quite a few. Some of them are just that already exist. Some of them are personally made ones. I wanted to share these ones because I made these myself. They're essentially comic bubble effects. They kind of do an automatic outline effect. There's 4 of these types in my set. Block one for doing like text. The only caveat with this is you have to your cursor down to do the effect, to get the effect to work. But once you learn to do that, it's actually not too hard to pull this off. So if you like these effects, you want to see the set I have, which is both a collection of my own and my most commonly used Procreate variants. There's a video in there, as well as there's a whole custom drawn example of me using every single one of them, how they're used. I made a video where I talk along with these, but I never posted it. I don't know if it's worth any explaining this process. So if you like these, if you like how this looks, you want an idea of the ones I use, my variants, my own custom made ones, the ones I've merged together, you can get that in Coffee Daily. Check the bio. And thanks guys, take care, and have a good Halloween.